Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your Duolingo account. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up the browser, search duolingo.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Duolingo's website. Be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. Now tap on the settings icon, which is on top right. After that, scroll down and there you'll see delete my account option. Tap on it. Then tap on the red tab that says erase personal data. Duolingo will now send you a confirmation email, so open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see a link to delete your data. Tap on it. Your account has now been deactivated and your account will be completely deleted within 23 days. This way you can delete your Duolingo account. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.